Evening everyone, my name is Tripura. Today I am telling about A to Z God names.
A for
Arjun is the greatest warrior.
B for
Balram is brother of Krishna.
C for
Chanakya is an ideal teacher. Justify the statement.
D for
Dhruva is start and he is a great devote.
E for
Ekalavya is devote of Guru Dronacharya.
F for
Four Vedas are holy book of Hinduism. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharveda.
G for
Gayatri Mata is mother of knowledge.
H for
Hanuman is devote of Rama.
I for
Indra is god of heaven.
J for
Jatayu is a divine bird and great survivor of Ramayana.
K for